Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about another interesting project that in my opinion has a good short-term potential. And this project is called the Kasta token or the KASTA token, right? Again, as always, guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website Kasta.io in order to learn more about this project, right? But before we talk about Kasta, I want to talk to you guys about iTrust Capital. iTrust Capital is a platform where you can use your IRA to invest into crypto. So if you are a resident of the United States, then you know that IRA is a platform where you can invest in certain assets in a tax advantaged manner. So if you have an iTrust Capital account, you can basically buy and sell crypto 24/7 in a tax advantaged manner in your IRAs, right? And if you go to the website, which is itrustcapital.com, and if you go through their information, you can find out that by opening an account, you are basically paying $0 in monthly fees, which basically means that you have free monthly accounts on the iTrust Capital platform, where you can get you only have to pay 1% of transaction fees in cryptocurrencies. They also have gold and silver, which you can also trade in a tax advantaged manner in their IRAs, and you can basically pay just about $50 over spot per ounce for gold, as well as $2.50 over spot per ounce for silver, right? So by opening a iTrust Capital account to trade your assets, you are able to get a free account on a monthly basis, which also facilitates the transfer or rollover contribution to your fund to fund your IRAs, and you don't really have to worry about all the tax reporting and IRS reporting, which is all covered by them. You have unlimited storage with institutional custody partners. iTrust Capital platform supports and maintenance basically is available for you as well, and no additional or hidden account fees, which is all pretty great news for people in the United States to have a platform where they can basically trade crypto, gold, as well as silver in a tax advantage manner, right? And if you scroll below, you can clearly see a lot of information that provides you with the tutorial on how you can basically set up your account. It's pretty simple and easy, and you pretty much have a lot of benefits with iTrust accounts. And in order for you to basically set up your account to get all these benefits, you need to open an account with a minimum amount of $1,000. And by creating your account, you get $30 in welcome bonuses. Just by creating, you get a $10 welcome bonus, and by funding your account with a minimum of $1,000, you get $20 in addition to the $10 as well, right? So you get $30 in additional welcome bonus for free when you use the link in the description to set up your iTrust Capital account, right? So by using the link in the description to set up an iTrust Capital account, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank in advance, right? So going back to the Kasta token, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page for this token, along with the information presented on the website itself. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Kasta? Kasta's mission is to steer the world towards global cryptocurrency adoption and a crypto-based economy through making the asset a valuable medium of exchange. So they're trying to provide everyone with access to cryptocurrencies, and they're trying to increase adoption and also improve the crypto-based economy as well by making it a viable medium of exchange, right? So built on the Polygon network, our hybrid decentralized approach allows users to send and receive crypto instantly and for free or feeless. Kasta is an incredibly simple application that anyone, including crypto experts, crypto newbies, and merchants, etc., can easily use on a day-to-day basis. So it is a platform that's built on top of the Polygon ecosystem or Polygon network, where thereby the fees as well as the transaction speeds are extremely better compared to Ethereum or any other slower layer one blockchain, right? And they pretty much provide a free transaction on their platform, which is feeless, and they they have an incredible application that anyone can use, which includes crypto experts, newbies, and merchants on a day-to-day basis, right? So that's a quick overview of Kasta itself on CoinMarketCap's page. So let's go to the website, which is Kasta.io. And right off the bat, you have a pretty cool purplish blue website with a lot of interesting information. The logo on the top left corner is pretty cool. And if you scroll further below, send crypto instantly and for free. So you can basically buy and sell, send and receive crypto on their platform for free. If you want to join their waitlist, which gives you early access to their product, which is not yet fully available yet. So you can basically include your email address here and join the waitlist, right? If you scroll further below, you can see send crypto to friends. So send and receive crypto instantly with Kasta. Every transfer is convenient. Send crypto by inserting your friend's phone number or scan their QR code. So you can basically use this platform to send and receive cryptocurrencies by just using a phone number or a QR code. And this is kind of like their layout. So you can send crypto and receive it. You can just type the recipient's phone number and then send it to them directly, right? So that's pretty cool and very innovative and very interesting as well. So convenient and secure. Our comprehensive system allows a customer to, with zero crypto knowledge, to store, transfer, and receive crypto seamlessly, freely, and instantaneously in a much secure way possible. So very interesting indeed. And if you scroll further below, this is kind of how the layout would look like. This is going to be mostly useful for people with no crypto experience or no knowledge of cryptocurrencies, and that's something that will drive a lot of adoption, right? And if you scroll further below, they're telling you how it works. So you basically sign up and open a Kasta account, deposit or buy crypto to your Kasta wallet, send crypto for free and instantly. So it's pretty much three important steps. And if you see, the Kasta token itself is the token that will play an important role in the Kasta's growth and making their mission to steer the world towards worldwide cryptocurrency adoption a reality. So they are trying to use their platform and the token to increase worldwide adoption of cryptocurrencies, which definitely is something that we need right now because a lot of people don't really know about crypto. And even if they have heard about crypto, they're not trying to invest in it because of the volatility as well as the high risk or scams that are there. Platforms like Kasta is doing a good favor for the crypto space by increasing adoption, right? If you scroll further below, future plans. So they have a debit card that they're trying to launch. They'll basically launch their own debit card, which will allow their users to spend their funds anywhere. So this is how the debit card would look like. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a crypto.com kind of like debit card, which will provide you possible benefits as well, right? So buy now, pay later. So we'll be offering a payment-focused solution where you can buy an item from an online store and choose when and how to pay for it later. So you can basically use your debit card as like a credit card where you basically buy right now and pay later, right? Earn passive income with yield. Don't let your crypto stagnate in your wallet. Make it grow instead. Our system will find you the best return for the lowest risk. So another kind of like benefit that they're trying to offer in the future is having an opportunity for people to store their crypto and earn passive income from their platform, right? And you can also use a swap engine. So thanks to Kasta's easy swap engine, people will be able to choose what currency they would like to receive payments in. For example, send BTC, receive Euro. So again, swapping with fiat currencies is another feature that they're planning to offer in the future as well. And if you want to learn more about their future plans, you can click on view their roadmap, which will give you that insight, right? Join our waitlist to get notified once we launch. You can add your email address and click the join waitlist button here. And here are the team members who have doxed themselves, so you can basically find them on LinkedIn or Twitter or other social media platform to learn more about the projects that they were involved in. And Kasta information about their white paper as well as their company and the token along with the social media information is available at the bottom of the page, right? So it's a pretty straightforward, very simple and elegant platform that aims to increase crypto adoption, right? So going back to the CoinMarketCap page for this token, this token is currently ranked 3,289th by market cap on CoinMarketCap, and is currently trading at 9.2 cents at the time I'm making this video, with a 4.92% decrease in the past 24 hours. So it seems like the token has been dumping in the past 24 hours, which could pose a potential buy opportunity, right? The market cap information, which should be taken with a grain of salt because of the warning sign here, is $25.2 million, which could be at any point be between somewhere between 22 to 28 or $29 million in market cap at any given point of time. And that's obviously not a lot of money in this particular token, but it's still quite a bit higher than a project with $5 to $10 million market cap. But it still kind of overall tells you that you will have at least a good amount of short-term potential from this project, because the market cap can fluctuate somewhere between 30, 40, and $50 million at any given point of time, and maybe even come down to $20 million. So you have a lot of upside growth for the short term, at least, with this project, because of its extremely low market cap, right? And if you look at the max supply, they have a huge max supply of 1.5 billion tokens, out of which they have only 273.3 million tokens in circulation, which is again a self-reported circulating supply, which should not be taken just like that. You need to basically take it with a grain of salt, because there could be more or less tokens than the token that's listed here, the token numbers that's listed here. But regardless of that, I believe that the huge token supply, max supply, along with the extremely low circulating supply, is only going to kind of like cause an issue for this token to grow in the mid to long term. But it still definitely does make this token a good short-term token because of its low market cap, and the fact that a lot of tokens may prefer to trade this token for the short term makes this a really good candidate for exactly that, right? And if you scroll further below, you can clearly see that this token has obviously had its tokenomics kind of like push the token price down, and it has been doing poorly since its inception. And at this point, it is kind of like its all-time low, which definitely gives it an opportunity to buy, low, and you can basically sell it once it's peaked a bit, right? But for now, if you see, the token price was initially worth $1.16 as of 1st of May 2022, and it was going up and down. It only reached a relative highs of about $1.05 as of 13th of January 2022, and then kind of like started crashing down to an initial all-time low of 24 cents as of 25th of February 2022, and then it had a small peak, and then it started declining even further, reaching its current all-time lows of 9.2 cents at the time of making this video, right? I think this token definitely has some potential of going up in the upcoming weeks by investing a very small portion of your portfolio. You're actually trying to take advantage of the short-term gains that this token can make, but don't put anything more than what you can afford to lose, because if you put a lot of capital into this, there's a huge risk that you're taking, because it is definitely a risky project with high rewards potential as well, right? But again, this is not financial advice. Please, you don't research before putting your money on this token, right? When it comes to the Bitcoin comparative, this token obviously has a pretty similar pattern to dollar comparative. The initial price of this token was again about it was trading at about 25 satoshis per token. It then went down and then went up, and then kind of like was sustaining its downward trajectory, currently reaching about 3 satoshis per token. So it's definitely a token that is going to be at its all-time low for quite some time, until it starts pumping in the upcoming weeks to a few months. Which is probably when a lot of people will be able to make some good gains, but it won't be sustainable because there's not a lot of buy pressure that will sustain the growth of this token. It will just pump and dump and pump and dump and repeat the cycle again and again, right? But again, I would not recommend anyone to buy this token with Bitcoin comparative, because Bitcoin is definitely a scarcer coin compared to this token, and therefore I would not recommend anyone to use a scarcer coin or token to invest in a less scarce and more inflationary token like this token, right? So always stick to the dollar comparative for safer measures. So when it comes to the markets itself, you can pretty much buy this token from Bybit, Get.io, MEXC, Ascendex, Quick swap, which is again which is available on Polygon, and Uniswap version 3, which is available on Ethereum. So the best centralized exchange to buy this token from is Bybit, Get.io, and MEXC, along with the Ascendex, which are the four major centralized exchanges that I would basically trust this token to buy on. But Bybit and Get.io probably being the most reliable, and Uniswap version 3 being the best decentralized exchange to buy this token from on Ethereum blockchain itself, but you'll be paying extremely high gas fees, and QuickSwap being the most secure and the cheapest way to buy this token from on Polygon network itself, right? So I would probably suggest you to focus on Bybit, Get.io, and maybe even QuickSwap for the best token purchase price points. And if you see, there is an arbitrage opportunity to be made by buying this token in, let's say, MEXC or Uniswap version 3 and selling it on QuickSwap for a small profit, because the arbitrage opportunity definitely does exist, right? So that's pretty much another way where you can make make some gains with this token as well, right? So what's my final verdict on token, guys? I think this token definitely has a long way to go before it can become a good, reliable mid to long term project. But for short term, you can definitely expect this token to go as high as 14 to 15 cents per token in the next upcoming weeks to months. But once it does make that leap, you need to sell this token right away in order to come out of your bags, in order for you to wait till the token goes down and then buy it and sell it again, right? And rinse and repeat. But for now, I think this token is going to sustain some short-term loss because of the entire market going sideways, and that's going to definitely be a little bit annoying to see this token not make any progress. But it will definitely will, because it can't stay in the all-time lows for too long, because there will be a point where this token will kind of spike up, which will probably be the best opportunity to make some money on this token, right? Apart from that, I don't think this is a really good long-term or mid-term token, but short-term token definitely it is, right? Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.